Good day, students. Today, we want to consider a topic that is based on word problem that involves breadth, length, and area of a rectangle. Now, let's see what's on the board. The breadth of a rectangle is 3 centimeter less than the length. Let's assume length equals to L, breadth of the rectangle equals to B. Is that okay? And is 3 centimeter, the breadth of a rectangle is 3 centimeter less than the length. Now because B equals to is 3 less than the length, that is L minus 3. That is 3 less. If you are told that 3 more than the length, you say L plus 3. But since we are told that is 3 less, it will be L minus 3. That negative is a sign of being less. Okay? And if its area is 88 centimeter squared, find its breadth. Don't forget that the breadth equals to B. Okay? Now area A is length times breadth. Is that okay? Area of a rectangle, length times breadth. And we are told that is 3 less. We are going to replace this B with L minus 3. L, open bracket, L minus 3, which is equals to the area, which is 88. Is that okay? Now, let's open the bracket. L times L, L squared, L times minus 3L equals to 88. Let's turn it to a quadratic equation. Take 88 across the equal sign, becomes L squared minus 3L minus 88 equals to 0. Is that okay? Now, you now pick this. We want to take, we now multiply the coefficient of L squared, which is 1, multiplied by the constant minus 88. You're having minus 88. You now think of two numbers that when you multiply together, it will give you minus 88. And when you add those two numbers together, it will give you the coefficient of L, which is minus 3. Okay, let's start. You have 88 here. Let's start with 2. 2 in that's 44. 2 again, 22. You combine these two together, 4 times 22 will give you 88. But when you add it together, it will not give you minus 3. You continue 2 here, 11. Now when you join together these 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 11. 8 times 11. It will give us 88. But where should we put negative? That when we add it together, we will get minus 3. Since you have a negative 3, we put it in the higher value, which is minus 88. And when you now add it together, 8 plus minus 11 will give you minus 3. We are going to replace this minus 3 with these two figures. It will now be L squared plus 8L minus 11L minus 88 equals to 0. Let's factorize. What's common? L open brackets, L, open bracket, you are left with 1L plus 8, close the bracket, minus 11, 11 is common, 11 can go in 11 and in 8, 8. Now negative and negative, turn this one to 11 goes in 11, it will remain only L. And the negative will cancel this negative, negative and negative will turn to positive. Okay, and 11 goes in 88, that's 8, equals to 0. Now, see, anytime you are factorizing and you have the same value in the brackets, that means that you are correct. But if they are different, it means that there's a problem somewhere. Now, L minus 11, close the bracket, and pick one out of the two, L plus 8 equals to 0. Now you now have L minus 11 equal to 0, or L plus 8 equals to 0. Now L equals 0 plus 11, when minus 11 cross equal sign turn to positive, or L equals 0 minus 8. Okay, 0 minus 8. Now L equals 11, or L equals minus 8. We have to ignore this negative sign because negative cannot be the length. Ignore L equals minus 8 since the length cannot be negative. Ignore it. Therefore, L equals 11 centimeter. Now, but we have to find the breadth. Breadth B equals L minus 3, which is equals to 11 minus 3, which is equals to 8 centimeter. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.